Hello guys, we tell you about Voodoo installer. VoodooHDA installer. You not have nothing here. You cannot left any cast in your FI. I'm using Clover. I have no one cast about audio here, and your drivers too. You need to exclude any drivers audio. Okay, I have no sound here. Okay, it's a plugin for record. So this app is for many computers including AMD. Double click here. He just wrote the package. You can use just VoodooHDA package. Double click, continue install, give permission. Here you open here, you give permission, your password, restart. Alright, I will restart, the video will stop. I will restart here, and you see the preference is here now. I will stop that now.
The blues.
Got a lot of money, not a so-called friend.